been asking myself the question, how do I make as much money as I want for many years? And in doing so, I built a 50K a month business. It's done over $1 million in revenue. And I found an answer that works for me that I will share with you. I think the first thing to understand, if you want to make as much money as you say that you do, is to understand the game we're actually playing when we say that we want to make money. Because the truth is, you don't actually want to make money, and I don't actually want to make money. We want how money is going to make us feel. Because money in of itself, it doesn't mean anything. Like if all humans died and someone found this, it wouldn't have any significance. There's loads and loads of currencies that you could dig up out of the ground and wouldn't mean anything today because the actual money itself doesn't have any value or meaning. We give it meaning. We, bring this £20 to a shop and we both agree that this thing is worth £20, which is why I gave it to the person and they gave me the item in return. And in doing so, we agreed that this thing had some value, but in of itself, it doesn't actually mean anything. We want money, not because of the money itself. We want money because how we think money is going to make us feel when we have it. Some people want money because they want money to feel worthy. They get a sense of self from having money. Some people want money because they want to feel like a good person. They want to do good things with money. They want to help other people. Some people want money because they want to feel hope, like thinking of a future where they have money and they can do all the things they want to do is hopeful to them. And so they want money because they align it with or they associate it with a better quality of life. Whatever the reason, none of those people, and most of us are usually a mix of the three and more. They don't actually want money. They want how they believe money is going to make them feel. If we are stuck in this paradigm of I actually want cash, we're kind of missing the game we're actually playing. We don't understand exactly what the goal is that we're pursuing. So in my opinion, the first thing to understand, if you want to make as much money as possible, is that you don't actually want to make money. There is a feeling that you think money is going to get you. And that's actually the thing you're pursuing. Once you get that, then you ask the question, well, how do we actually achieve goals? How does nature, even outside of humans, set goals and then achieve them? So for a minute, I'm gonna switch to an animal. I'm gonna switch to an animal we're familiar with. When a dog smells food, it's given a goal. And its system is designed to find a way to achieve that goal. Now, the dog isn't conscious enough to strategize and plan precisely how it's going to get the food, but its system has some tactics built in. So the dog will try begging for some food. It'll ask and sit there and plead. And you'll say no, and it won't get the food. Then the dog might try begging another person or try a different tactic, get the food from a different source. Maybe that doesn't work. Then the dog might do that thing where it kind of sniffs around the food and pretends that it doesn't want the food. It just happens to want to sit next to you for the first time today. And then when you're not looking, try and creep over and take some of the food. Or it might wait on the other side of the room if that doesn't work, and then wait for you to stop paying attention to the food and then try to get it. The dog in of itself isn't smart enough to really be strategizing exactly what to do, but its system's been given a goal and it's designed to pursue it. And actually, that's how all of life achieves its goals, including humans. Like as I'm doing this video, I have a goal, right? And it's to add some values, to create something that's useful for you. But I'm not planning every single word that comes out of my mouth. I'm not telling my hands to move every single muscle in my body to make the words come out, make the air come out my lungs so I can say the words. It's too much, right? I've set a goal, an intention, and my system is finding a way to complete that goal. And that's the key distinction between a dog and a human. And it's that when a dog smells food, it can't not want the food. The system goes green light and the dog goes after it. Whereas a human can smell food and then decide, does it want to pursue the goal or not? But other than that, our system works the exact same way as a dog. We decide that something's a green light and we go for it. So 1, we understand that you don't want money. You want how money's going to make you feel. And 2, you pursue goals by setting them and then allowing your system to find a path towards them. All right. You give your system a green light and it pursues it. The problem is, most people say they want money, but to their system, money is a red light. Money is a no-go. To your conscious mind, you are saying you want money. That's why you're watching this video. You wouldn't meet a person alive probably that says, I don't want to make money, right? Consciously, we say we want it. But the thing is, we are 3% conscious and 97% subconscious. And so a lot of the time, it doesn't actually matter what our conscious mind is saying. We can say in our mind that we want money. But if when dogs, or maybe not dogs because their systems don't work like that, but when a cat smells a certain food, right? So if a cat smells a blueberry, it won't eat it because to its system, it says red light. Blueberries are poisonous to cats. And so the cat isn't smart enough to know that blueberries are poisonous, right? It doesn't have ChatGPT to search that up like I did when my cat didn't eat a blueberry. But its system inherently has green lights and red lights, and things that are going to kill the cat are red lights. Things that are good for the cat are green lights. If you don't have money in your life and you consciously say that you want it, it's because money is a red light. And the reason money is a red light is linked to the feeling that you think money is going to get you. If you want money because you think money is going to give you a sense of self-worth, what you are saying is, today, when I don't have money, I feel shame. I feel not enough as I am. I don't feel complete. I don't feel whole. And I believe that when I get money, I will not feel this thing anymore. Problem is, now I have linked money and shame. The subconscious mind doesn't understand negatives. All it knows is there is this horrible, shameful feeling, and Ethan doesn't like it. And instead of feeling this thing, he wants to get money. And so now the two things are linked. And so as I move towards money and in my conscious mind, I say, I want money, I want money, I want money. Every time I say it, my system hears red light, red light, red light. Money is not good because it associates money with shame. And so even though consciously I'm walking towards the goal, in the same way that the dog doesn't know exactly how it's going to get the food, the system just finds a way. And the cat doesn't actually understand it can't eat a blueberry. The system just says no. Your system is saying no. And so you'll start to make decisions, believe in things, and adopt tactics and strategies that align with not getting money or getting money and then losing it again. If you associate money with shame, and this is just one example, right? What you associate with might be different. If you associate money with shame, even if you got a bunch of money, having money around you would be saying to your system, red light, red light, red light, red light. It'd be going crazy because it associates money with shame. And so your system is going to find a way to get rid of the money. I've done that. I built a successful business. I saved a bunch of cash and I blew the whole fucking thing up because I hadn't taught my body that money is a green light. Money is safe. Money is something that we want. Money is the food to the dog. Find a way towards it. Find a way to keep it. Now, on the surface, you're going to be saying you want money, of course, but remember, most of us are subconscious. Most of us, what's going on underneath. So here's the thing for you to reflect on and do. Work out why you want money and primarily what feeling you think money is going to give you. Is money going to give you a sense of self-worth? Is money going to make you feel like a good person? Is money going to make you feel hopeful? Whatever feeling you think money is going to give you is a thing that you believe you lack now. And when I say feeling, the reason I keep putting it on my body is because this isn't something that you think. It isn't happening in your conscious mind. Consciously, you're saying you want money. It's happening in your subconscious, or in other words, it's happening in your feelings. There is something you feel in your body physically that money is going to provide. You might feel it in your chest. You might feel it in your heart. You might feel it in your stomach. For me, I feel like it's sort of this hopelessness in my stomach. I feel like right here, just below my heart. That feeling fucking sucks. It's why you want the money, right? You don't want to feel shame, so you want money to feel worthy. You don't want to feel like a bad person, so you want the money to be a good person and give it to people. You don't want to feel hopeless and like, no, life's never going to get better. And so you think, I'm going to make money and it'll make my life better, right? We want money to stop feeling those things. But the problem is, that means we feel these things today, we associate with my money, and because we don't like the things, we're saying, no, I don't want to feel it. I want to make money, so I don't feel it. To our system, all we're saying is, money triggers this feeling, and that's a red light. So don't pursue it. Stop. Because Ethan doesn't like shame, or doesn't like guilt, or doesn't like apathy, whatever it is. And the way you fix it is really simple. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's simple. And it's to find wherever in your body you feel that thing. I feel shame in my heart. I feel guilt kind of around my rib. I often feel like apathy and hopelessness kind of in this area. And to sit with that feeling and find a place within yourself where you can feel how like gut-wrenching it is to be ashamed, be guilty, be apathetic, whatever it is, and just learn to be okay with that feeling and not need money to fix it. If you keep needing money to make you feel a certain way, you are saying that you don't feel that way right now. And if you don't feel that way right now, you have created a link between the thing you want and a negative feeling that you are saying to your body, don't feel ever. Avoid at all costs. and therefore saying, avoid the thing I want at all costs. To summarize this very simply, you don't want money. You want the feeling money is going to give you. Your body has green lights and red lights. And if you tell your body a certain feeling is a red light, it will not pursue things that trigger that feeling. And so if you want money to feel a certain way, but you think the feeling that you feel now is negative, you are saying to your body, I don't want anything to do with that goal. I don't want money. And because it's an auto-completing machine, because it just pursues goals, just like the dog with the food, because it does thousands of things a second that you're not conscious of, it will just find ways to not give you the thing that you want. Work out what you think money is going to make you feel. Therefore, work out what you are lacking today, what thing you are feeling today that you perceive as negative, and find it within yourself to stop seeing that thing as negative. It's okay to feel shame. It's okay to feel guilt. It's okay to feel apathetic and hopeless. And if you can find that within yourself, you'll stop making money a red light and you'll tell your system, money's a green light. Let's go and fucking get it.